Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. I'm taking a video rather than taking a picture.
Get video of me swearing.
Are you pausing now?
So it's Christmas Eve.
Get out!
No!
Okay.
It's Christmas Eve and welcome to a Christmas edition of the Steam Kitchen, an early edition. What are you making, Ian?
Well, I'm making some mince pies to start with. It's cheating, it's bought pastry. But I'm also going to make some two pear tarts and 2 peach tarts, but they've got a set custard in them as well.
Oh, that sounds
And they're going
in those. How big are those?
They are 5 inch, 5.5 inch.
5 inch with a loose bottom, if you pardon it.
There's no answer to that really, is there?
But we have little spectators.
We
haven't
have Mum and Dad are here.
Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh, go on, say again.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, one and all.
Mum's supervising today, aren't you?
She is. And Mr. Bentley's here now as well.
Is he? So there you go. Did somebody mention the word bacon? Yeah, good morning. Morning, little one. Little sleepy face.
What we did make last night, we made some Parmesan crackers and they were unbelievable. So we'll be doing those on the channel, but I'll show you them. Which tin are they in, Mike?
They're in that tin there.
Let me just grab it then. I think Karen bought us a new set of tins for Christmas.
She did. But that's not one of them.
No, this isn't one of them. No. They've got those ones have got dried onion on top. They have Parmesan on top. And they have mature cheddar on top.
And they're absolutely disgusting.
They are. And I'm now blind baking them. I did it quickly and Mike didn't see, so I've put my baking beans in and they are now in the oven blind baking for 12 minutes. And when they're out, I shall start the filling.
So next,
I've put the pastry in for the mince pies. I'm just going to put a little spoonful.
yes, it doesn't need a lot, does it?
No, I learnt that the hard way before. We made some puff pastry ones and they took off. Literally.
Just put the puff pastry lids on the end.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
an idea. Adding puff pastry lids.
Because I've done it.
What did you say? Put the...
Puff pastry lids on the mince pies.
Yeah.
Short crust on the bottom and puff pastry
Oh,
lids.
yeah. Aye.
Don't to waste any of those. Get right to the bottom of the jar.
Of course, they always have a top on, don't they?
There's plenty in there. And what I'm going to do is going to go in here. And I have
Swelled right up again already.
some pecans as well.
Just going to put one on each.
One on each. Yeah, just makes me a little bit more exciting. 1, 2, 3,
Won't make any difference.
4. Adding pecans can only make them better,
Yes.
if that's possible. Well, I've taken the baking beans out and I've just put them back in the oven just to blind bake and crispy the bases, and then we're all ready for the filling. Of course, as Mike's shown you already, we have actually got them all ready to go in the mince pies. Excuse the noise in the background, it's the washing machine. We're washing Bentley's coat.
Because it smells.
He's been playing in the park. Say hello.
I'm just venturing out.
What mask have you got on today?
I've got the Great Explorer mask.
The Great Explorer of 2020. Reginald Leopold III.
Phileas Bog.
I've made it some time.
Yeah. Phileas Bog.
Thank God it's not snowing. So I forgot to, with the excitement, I actually forgot to film putting the fruit in these because I was so excited about making them. But they've just come out. You saw me blind baking them. I've put a custard mixture in, as in eggs and fresh double cream. It's got cinnamon, sugar in them. So a little bit of cinnamon sugar in there. but that's not melted, but that'll just help it. But when we cut them in half, I shall take some pictures. I am so pleased with them. I've never made these before, so there we go. Something else to eat, Mike.
Yummy!
And it's starting to snow outside.
And it's Christmas Eve.
And it's Christmas Eve. Whether you can see it, you can see it falling. That isn't the Bentley's on the roof throwing polystyrene. So it's now time for the mince pies to go in. Oh yeah, hopefully they'll come out as nicely as they look when they went in. Well, fingers crossed, here we go. Okay, so they're out of the oven. They have boiled over, which they always do, but they look lovely. And I've also got some more over here as well that I've already done. Dad and Mike have just come back from the shop. Dad's got some carnation milk, so we may be having carnation milk and mince pies.
Maybe. No, it's a certainty.
What are they? What's that?
I think he's more interested in the sausages, Ian.
Tell me.
Well, one a minute ago, it's just like that completely double. I thought it's trying to go in it.
Pass it to me then. Pass it to me. Pass it to me. Thank you.
He certainly knows his own mind, doesn't he?
Sit.
Oh, well.
Oh.
I'm going to need another test to go on. 6
Eh?
cardigans.
There we go.
There's that paper gun. I was enjoying that. Yeah, put the other one down here as well. Only there, look.
Look what Mr. Bentley's bought Grandma for Christmas. Do you think he's dropping a few hints? He says he likes this one, the same as Bruno. It's Wednesday, the 30th of December, and it's just gone 11:45, so almost lunchtime. And I've just taken Mum and Dad back home. after spending the Christmas week with us, of which they had a thoroughly enjoyable time, nice and restful. Yeah, and they wanted to be home for the new year, which is why I've taken them home today. The house was freezing when we got in this morning, so stayed, got the fire stoked up, got the heating on. We did some shopping at the supermarket on the way home, so they had fresh bread, milk, cheese, eggs, salad stuffs, veggies, bread, all that kind of stuff, all fresh stuff. So they're going to be okay for, you know, the next, at least the next 4 or 5 days. Like I said, it's Wednesday, but I probably will pop back over again at the weekend. While Mum was with us, she got a couple of knitting pattern books for Christmas. One for jumpers for Mr. Bentley, which you've seen, and also one for ladies' cardigans and sweaters, that kind of stuff. But while she was with us, she used my iPad and went onto the internet and bought a lot of wool, but it's all been delivered to my house by courier, so it should be here by the weekend, which is why I'll probably be going back over again to see them at the weekend. But yeah, but it's been a thoroughly enjoyable week. It's been a nice quiet one. You know, we've eaten a lot, we've laughed a lot, we've played silly board games a lot, we've watched a bit of TV, not a lot, and we've not really had too much wine or anything like that, only a little. In fact, I've still got bottles of Prosecco and white wine and red wine, rosé, I've got all still left over, including a couple of bottles of Bucks Fizz, which I like. That was originally supposed to be for Christmas Day breakfast, but Mum and Dad wanted tea instead. Thoroughly British thing. They wanted tea, so that's what they got. So yeah, so it's been a thoroughly enjoyable Christmas. Now we just have to get through the new year. Oh, and of course, having the added benefit of a thorough downpour of snow really did help the mood over Christmas. So, and like you see, it's still here.
Well, I'm out this morning, as you can hear it's quite busy. All the snow has gone practically, but everywhere is covered in ice. It's very slippy today. It's that cold, Mr. Bentley's got his coat on. Hello, Bentley Boos. Oh, I think he can smell a fox. But yeah, all the snow has gone from the church at the end of our road, and we can see some lovely green grass peeking through.
So before I draw this week's and this year's vlog to a complete close, just want to let you all know that the actual day that I put the vlog up is going to change from Wednesday to Thursday. I'm just having a little bit of a rejig with the days that I upload videos to accommodate some new stuff that I want to do next year. So the vlogs will be going from Wednesdays to Thursdays. So from next week it will start, it will go up on Thursday the 7th. So it will go from January the 1st to the 7th, week 1 of 2021. So that's why I'm just moving it one day over. There will be, obviously the project's still going live on Tuesday. There will be one possibly on the Wednesday, definitely one on the Saturday. So you're still going to be getting the same amount of videos per week. Obviously the Steampunk Tuesday for Ian will now turn into the Steam Kitchen, which will be happening on, did we say Saturdays?
We did say Saturdays, yes.
So you'll be getting 2 videos.
But that will be on the channel.
Yeah, on the new the Steam Kitchen channel, which we'll put links for and everything in the vlogs so that you can pop across and subscribe to those as well. Once we've actually got those set up and we're ready to go. So Ian's decided that he's going to be doing 2 Steam Kitchen videos per month. So once a fortnight. And then we'll take it from there, see how it goes. So that's pretty much what's going to be happening with changing days and that kind of stuff for next year. So from next week it's going to be Tuesday, and then possibly a video on Wednesday, and then the vlog on a Thursday, and then definitely one on the Saturday, and a few others thrown in just for good measure as and when
You won't get rid of me, I'll be popping in.
Yes, he will still be popping in and saying hello, as will Mr. Bentley, obviously. I'm not saying that the Steampunk Tuesday will disappear completely, because there will be projects that Ian still wants to share. In fact, you should see what he's working on at the moment. He is doing a Steampunk Tuesday project as we speak, sat next to me, but I'm not allowed to show you because it's a secret until he's ready. So there you go. So that's it for this week, and obviously for Christmas week. I will see you, or we will both see you all in the new year. So I hope you've all had a happy Christmas and happy holidays, and you all have a fantastic new year, and we'll see you in 2021. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.